Begin with 360-degree breath. Keep your hands under your chest. Inhale. When you inhale, expand your chest, your rib cage. Your front chest will expand, your back. Expand your whole body. Inhale. Expand. Expand 360 degree throughout your rib cage. Exhale, gentle fall. Exhale through your mouth. Core engaged. Inhale. Expand your rib cage, your back. Front. Exhale, gentle fall. Core engaged. 6 more rounds. Keep your eyes closed. Inhale. Feel the expansion. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Expand. Expand your ribcage, side, back, front. Feel like a balloon is expanding. Exhale. Gentle core engage. Exhale through your mouth. 4, 5. Inhale. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Still. Keep your hand on your waist. Inhale. Expand your belly like a balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Tuck your pelvic. Pull your pelvic towards your navel. Imagine you are holding your urine. Gentle fall of your belly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold, tuck your pelvic. Lift your pelvic towards your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Pelvic tilt. Take a pelvic. Lift your pelvic towards your belly. 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Inhale. Expand your belly like a balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Tuck your pelvic. Bring your pelvic towards your belly. Gentle fall of your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Come on all fours. Keep half feet gap between the legs. Keep your spine erect. Spine neutral. Extend opposite hand and leg. With control, lift it up. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Down. Change. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Extend your knee. Extend your toe. Keep your spine neutral. Core engaged. We'll be doing 6 more rounds. Keep going. Your own count. Exhale through your mouth. Keep your core engaged. Move with the control. Slow control movement. Try to balance. Last 2. Keep your toe pointed. Last round. Relax. Come to all fours. Spine neutral. Take a deep long breath. Use a dumbbell. Inhale, exhale, core engaged, left side up. With control, go slow, keep your core engaged. 4, 5, 6, lift till your shoulder level. 7, 8, core engaged. 9, 10, other side. 1, 2. Keep your elbow extended. 3, 4, 5, 6. Look straight. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Keep the weight aside. Into odd pose. Keep your spine neutral. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, keep your core engaged. Donkey kick. Lift your leg up. Down. Don't arch your back. Keep your spine neutral. Toe pointed. Look straight. Keep your hips stable. Halfway to go. Core engage. Do not lift your leg more up till your hip level. Body stable. 8, 9, 10. 2 more count. 11, 12, 13. Keep going. Stable. 17, 18. Last one. 19, 20. Relax. Come to Vajrasana. Relax for 3 long deep breaths. Now come to Malasana. Extend. Bring your both the legs front. Sit. Push your both knees with your elbow. Keep your spine erect. Spine straight. Look straight. Hold for 10 count. If you are not able to sit like this, you can always use a pillow or a yoga block under your hip and try to sit. 10, 9, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Come to front of the mat. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale, core engaged. Lift your heels up, down. Move slow. Four, 5. We're doing 10 more count. 6. Use wall if you want to support. 7. Go slow. Core engaged. Lift heels up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax. Take a deep long breath. Now, use weights. We'll be doing lunges. Inhale, exhale, come to the front of the mat. Take your right leg back. Go down. Come up. Core engaged. Right front, left back. Go down. Up. Continue. Every time you go down, keep your core engaged. Exhale through your mouth. Core engaged, go down. More slow. Keep your body control. 6 more count. Go slow. Last 4 counts. Keep going. Hold your weights. Last 2. Go slow. Core engaged. Last 1. Come front, keep the weights down. Now, sit in Vajrasana. Inhale, exhale. Take 3 deep long breaths. Exhale through your mouth. Now, sit. Keep your legs 1 foot away from your hip. Your palm should be 1 little bit away from your hip. Come to this position. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep your core engaged. Inhale, lift your hips up, hold, lift it up more. Keep your core engaged. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Inhale, exhale, core engaged. Squeeze your glute. Lift it up. Hold. Lift more up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go down. Up, hold, core engaged, exhale through your mouth, hold, down, last 5, up, hold, lift your heels up, more up, lift up, 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 keep your body stable, hold, 7, 8, 9, 10, down, inhale, exhale, up, keep your core engaged, lift your heels up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, down, last round, inhale, up, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly go down. Now turn inside and lie down on your back. Keep your both knees together. Keep your feet closer to the hip. Inhale, exhale. We'll be doing glute bridges. Inhale, exhale, core engaged. Squeeze your glute, lift it up, hold for 15 count. 1, 2, core engaged, body stable. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more count. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Extend your leg. Relax. Keep your index finger on your forehead, your middle finger above your eyes, ring finger near to nose, and little finger under your lower lip. Close your ear with your thumb. We'll be doing humming bass like sound while exhale, and we'll be doing 8 times. Let's start. Inhale. Last one. Relax.